Juniperus x pfitzeriana information. Juniperus x pfitzeriana is a hybrid species that was created by crossing Juniperus chinensis and Juniperus sabina. It is commonly known as Pfitzer juniper and is a popular ornamental plant due to its attractive foliage and ease of maintenance. Here are some key characteristics and information about Juniperus x pfitzeriana. Appearance: Pfitzer juniper is a low-growing evergreen shrub with a spreading habit. It typically reaches a height of 3 to 4 feet, 0.9 to 1.2 m, and a width of 6 to 8 feet, 1.8 to 2.4 m. The foliage is a bright green to blue-green color and is arranged in dense, scale-like clusters. Growing conditions: Pfitzer juniper is a hardy plant that can grow in a variety of soil types, as long as they are well draining. It prefers full sun to partial shade and is tolerant of drought and heat. Uses: Pfitzer juniper is often used as a ground cover or in landscaping to provide a low-maintenance, attractive feature. It can also be used as a border plant, or as a screen to provide privacy. Pruning: Pfitzer juniper should be pruned in early spring before new growth begins. It can be pruned back hard if necessary, but care should be taken to avoid cutting into old wood, as it may not regrow. Pests and diseases: Pfitzer juniper is generally resistant to pests and diseases, although it may be susceptible to spider mites or scale insects if conditions are unfavorable. Cultivars: there are several cultivars of Juniperus x pfitzeriana available, including aurea, with golden yellow foliage, compacta, a dwarf variety, and mint julep, with blue-green foliage and a minty scent. Overall, Juniperus x pfitzeriana is a hardy and versatile plant that can add beauty and interest to a variety of landscaping situations.